case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Raub v. General Income Sponsors of Iowa, Inc., an intriguing 1970 case heard by the Iowa Supreme Court, explored the concept of bona fide real estate ownership in the presence of fraud. The saga began when Jesse O. Raub was cunningly enticed by officials of General Income Sponsors of Iowa, Inc., Clark Barchevsky and Joseph Huffman, into unwittingly handing over her home for seemingly valuable stock that turned out to be worthless. Stripped of her house and over a course of 3 years, also around $33,000 via a series of shrewd business and real estate transactions conducted by these unscrupulous individuals, Raub found herself ensnarled in a dire financial predicament. She turned to the courts, arguing that her warranty deed was secured through an elaborate charade and thus should be void. In an initial proceeding, the trial court agreed with her, ruling that the deceitful practices of Barchevsky and Huffman had indeed procured Raub's warranty deed via fraudulent means. This called into question the validity of 2 mortgages placed on Raub's property post the dubious deed exchange by the First National Bank of Fort Dodge and the Manson State Bank. Curiously, the appeal did not involve General Income Sponsors of Iowa, Inc., the entity that originally scammed Raub out of her property. The Iowa Supreme Court, after reviewing these convoluted dealings, affirmed the trial court's decisions, negating the warranty deed procured by General Income Sponsors of Iowa, Inc., and further delivering a ruling in favor of the Manson State Bank. However, it surprisingly reversed the lower court's decree with regards to the First National Bank of Fort Dodge. The court argued that the bank had acted in good faith and had no prior knowledge about any concerns pertaining to the title of the property, thus permitting the enforcement of their mortgage as a legitimate lien. While the court took note of Raub's distressing fiscal woes induced by the fraudulent maneuvers, it refrained from transferring her losses to the mortgagees, maintaining the legal sanctity and the consistent enforcement of the principle of bona fide purchasing. This judicious course navigated by the court was endorsed by a majority of the justices, with the exception of one dissenting voice and another who abstained from the process.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.